Upside doesn't give you automatic gas cashback at the pump. You have to check offers in the app, claim a deal before you buy fuel, and then pay at a participating station to get cashback. By the end, you'll know how Upside actually works in 2026, how gas cashback gets tracked, and whether it's still worth using every time you fill up your tank. Upside works by showing nearby gas stations and stores with cashback offers. You select an offer first, then go to that specific location, and pay with a linked card or receipt system depending on the station. After the purchase is verified, cashback is added to your Upside balance. That claim before you buy step is what makes it different from automatic cashback apps. If you forget to activate the offer before fueling up, the transaction won't count and you won't get anything back. That's the most common reason users think it doesn't work. The next thing to understand is how the money is generated. Gas stations and retailers partner with Upside to attract customers. Instead of lowering prices for everyone, they offer targeted cashback to app users. Upside takes a cut of that promotion fee and shares part of it with you. This is also why cashback availability changes. One station might offer a deal today, but have nothing tomorrow. Offers depend on location demand and how many users are active in your area. When it comes to cashing out, your earnings sit in the app until you reach the withdrawal threshold. Once you do, you can transfer money to PayPal, bank account, or digital gift cards depending on your region. There are also limitations worth knowing. Not every gas station participates, and cashback rates vary heavily between locations. Sometimes the closest station won't have any active offers, even if others nearby do. So is Upside worth it? Yes, if you regularly check offers before filling up. It can reduce fuel costs over time. But it's not passive. And it doesn't work if you expect automatic savings without planning your stops. To put it simply, Upside is planned cashback, not automatic savings. It only works on activated offers. And it's best used as a habit, not a one-time download. If you want more clear breakdowns of cashback apps that actually save you money in real life, like the video and subscribe.